Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be telling you the 5 mistakes that some retail investors make in the stock market and lose their money. And I'll also tell you how you can avoid these mistakes. Most of the beginners think that how can I double my money through the stock market? There are some people who lose their money while making the money double, and in this process, they even lose their money what they had invested previously. So in this video, I'll also tell you how do we can save ourselves from making losses. The first mistake that investors do is they buy the shares of unknown company by just listening to someone, and they even don't know anything about the company, like what that company did, their latest updates, and what's their business. So most of the investors try to invest money by just getting tips from friends or from anyone. So don't make these mistakes in your life. Always avoid investing your money by just getting a tip from anyone. It's your money, you have to decide and do your own research. And after the research, see whether the company is good or bad, and then only invest money. The second mistake is whenever we invest, we make large investment in a single company's share. And if it goes down, we suffer from a huge loss. That's why we should make use of diversification. And it's very important. Diversification means purchasing shares of different companies. If you purchase shares of 10 different companies and one company goes in loss, you still have 9 companies shares in your hand. Even the big investors use the diversification just to reduce their risk. So when you invest, make use of diversification so you can reduce the risk percentage. The third mistake is difference between speculation and investment. Whenever we begin to invest, we always think that we can double our money in a short duration. But if you want to make your money double, you have to stay for a long duration and it should have a horizon to grow. If you are an equity investor, remember that give at least 5 years to your investments, because until a company grows and expands, your share price will not increase and there won't be any profit from the investment. The fourth mistake is emulating a successful stock investor's portfolio. Consider this: you read about a successful stock investor story such as Warren Buffett and Google his portfolio. The search results show his portfolio. You decide to buy the shares that are mentioned in his portfolio because surely if he has invested in them and made a name for himself in the stock market, then what's wrong in imitating? This is one of the most common investing mistakes that retail investors do. In order to bypass the research to see the best fit for themselves, they try to copy the portfolio of a successful stock investor and invest in same companies. So, we should not try to copy the portfolio of successful stock investor and invest in the same companies. We have to do our own research and then only invest our money. The fifth mistake is not creating a good portfolio. An investor's biggest strength is his portfolio. To be able to diversify the portfolio will help in cutting his losses and maximize his returns. The aim of a portfolio is to hedge risk, not to completely nullify it, though that is a good thing. Every investor says higher the risk, higher the reward. This may not be always true. So in order to avoid this, creating a good portfolio is important.